I'm going to show you how you, by having a growth mindset, can earn more money with less stress and a better lifestyle. Watch this video through to the end, and I'll promise you, by having a growth mindset, everything will get better for you. Come on, do it now. I get asked by lots of people, what is a growth mindset? So it is a way of thinking that sees abilities and intelligence as something that can be developed and improved upon rather than just being fixed and innate. This mindset has been shown to have significant impact on learning, achievement, and overall well-being. So adopting that growth mindset can be especially beneficial for children and adolescents, as it can help them to approach challenges with a positive attitude and a willingness to learn and improve. However, anyone can benefit from cultivating a growth mindset, as it can lead to increased resilience, motivation, and success in all areas of life. One of the key characteristics of a growth mindset is to focus on effort and progress rather than simply on natural talent or ability. This means that people with a growth mindset are more likely to see challenges as opportunities to learn and grow, rather than as threats to their self-esteem or their ego or their intelligence. They're also more likely to persevere in the face of setbacks, as they believe that their efforts will eventually lead to improvement. One of the ways that individuals can develop a growth mindset is by regularly engaging in activities that challenge them and push them out of their comfort zone. This could include things like learning a new skill, trying a new sport or hobby, or tackling difficult problems. By regularly taking on a challenge and working to improve, individuals can cultivate a belief in their own ability to grow and develop. In addition to taking on challenges, it's important for individuals to learn how to manage their thought process and emotions in a healthy way. This includes developing positive self-talk and refraining from negative thoughts in a more constructive way. For example, rather than thinking, oh, I can't do this, you might think, somebody with a growth mindset might think, I'm not good at this yet, but I'm willing to work hard and learn. Another important aspect of cultivating a growth mindset is seeking out feedback and learning from it. This can be especially difficult for people who are used to seeing feedback as a personal attack rather than as an opportunity for growth. However, by seeking out feedback and using it to identify areas for improvement, individuals can make a progress and achieve their goals more quickly. Finally, it's important for people to surround themselves with others who also have a growth mindset. This could include friends, family members, teachers, mentors, coaches, psychologists, who are all supportive and encouraging and who model a growth mindset themselves. By being surrounded by others who are also focused on learning and growth, individuals can feel more motivated and supported in their own efforts. In conclusion, adopting a growth mindset can have significant positive impact on learning, achievement, and overall well-being. And by focusing on the effort and progress, managing thoughts and emotions in a healthy way, and seeking out feedback and surrounding yourself with supportive individuals, anyone can cultivate a growth mindset and realize their full potential. And if you've enjoyed this video, please watch the next video just here, or subscribe to my YouTube channel just here.